Karthik. I am studying BJC second year in Gaudic College, Junagar. Today we are going to present our chemistry project, determination of acids, radicals in the tooth powder. Introduction. Tooth powder, also known as dentifrice, was first marketed in Britain during the 18th century. These powders may have been developed by doctors, dentists, and chemists, but they also included some fairly abrasive substances, brick, dust, crushed china, earthware, and cuttlefish. And since 5000 BC, the Egyptians made a tooth powder which consisted of powder ashes of ox, horse, hair, powder, and the plant eggshells and pumice. The Greek and then the Romans improved the recipes by adding abrasives such as crushed bones and Worcestershire. In modern times, baking soda has been the most commonly used tooth powder. The use of powder substances such as charcoal, brick, and salt for cleaning teeth has been historically widespread in India, particularly in rural areas. Thus, these ingredients in the powder work together to remove and freshen teeth. A lot of tooth powders have fluoride to fluoride strengthens your teeth and protect them from decay. Aim is to find the determination of contents of tooth powder to test the acid radicals in the tooth powder.
While the exact formula of each brand of toothpaste is proprietary, most tooth powders contain the same basic ingredients. These include fluoride. Perhaps the most important tooth powder's ingredient is fluoride. Fluoride incorporates itself into tooth enamel, making your teeth more resistant to acids produced by plaque bacteria as well as acids found in fruit juices, soda, and certain foods. In tooth powders, fluoride is found in the form of sodium monofluorophosphate, stannous fluoride, or sodium fluoride. Abrasives. Abrasives give tooth powders cleaning power. They remove stains and plaque as well as polish teeth. Common abrasives include calcium phosphate, aluminum, calcium carbonate, and silica. Tooth powder should be abrasive enough to remove plaque and stains, but not abrasive enough to damage our tooth enamel. Damaged tooth enamel also causes yellowing as a thin enamel reveals the yellowish dentin layer below. Over the years, manufacturers have been widely reducing the abrasives of their tooth powder. Preservatives. Preservatives prevent the growth of microorganisms in tooth powders and eliminate the need to refrigerate tooth powders. Common preservatives include sodium benzoate, methyl paraben, and ethyl paraben. Flavoring agents. These are added to improve the taste of tooth powders. You may have noticed that tooth powders have very strong flavoring. This is necessary to cover the horrid taste of most detergents, especially essence. Sweeteners. Sweeteners also improve the taste of tooth powders. Most tooth powder sweeteners are artificial and contribute very little to cavity formation. Saccharin is a common tooth powder sweetener. The most effective of preventing the development of dental disease is controlling the production of dental plaque. Plaque is a soft thin layer which deposits on teeth gums and all appliances fitted in the mouth. It is formed by microbial action. Nitrate sugars, in particular sucrose, contribute to the formation of plaque, and their presence increase the rate of formation and thickness of plaque. The removal of plaque from the teeth and related areas is essential for the maintenance of healthy mouth.
This is Ramya, now degree college student. Experimental observation and inference. Then HCl test. Then H2SO4 is added to the sample of tooth powder. Colorless, odorless gas available with break frequency which runs like water milky. Maybe carbon. NgSO4 test to the solution. NgSO4 is added. Dilute HCl test to the aqueous solution. farming. Test for phosphate. Carbonate. Test for phosphate. To the aqueous solution, few drops of ammonium nitrate is added. Deep yellow precipitate is formed. Phosphate compound. Study in BJC, Degree College, Kuzinadu. Result: the given toothpaste contains anions, mainly carbonate and phosphate. Calcium carbonate, when added to the tooth powder as a malabrasive that helps to safely remove plaque and while gently polishing away surface stains. It also helps to strengthen the teeth by supplying with essential calcium. As the mild abrasive, opacize the thickening agent. The calcium carbonate is essential ingredient to the preparation of the natural toothpaste. It is a very gently abrasive action, gently polishes the tooth enamel without damaging it. Next to the calcium, phosphorus is the most abundant mineral in the body. These two important nutrients work closely together to build strong bones and teeth. About 85% of body phosphate in the bones and teeth. Phosphorus is present in small amount in cells, tissues throughout the body. Calcium phosphate based the toothpaste prevents white spot lesions, protects the against dental erosion, reduces dental hypersensitivity.
Next.
Conclusion: several of the ingredients in the toothpaste are found by some environmentally damaging and hazardous to the personal health. These ingredients include artificial flavoring, artificial alcohol,
Color.
artificial colors, triclosan, sodium bicarbonate, fluoride, preservatives such as ethyl paraben, pyrophosphate.
Second year BSc. Things are considered when choosing a new toothpaste. Does the toothpaste have the ADS seal of approval? Does the toothpaste contain fluoride? What are your goals for your toothpaste? What are the ingredients? Does it have an appealing flavor and texture? What does your dentist recommended for you? Thank you.